Prepare for PCS, alkaline batteries and a cross screwdriver. Attention, the batteries are neither acidic nor carbon. Install batteries. Take down screws. Unlock box. Take battery holder out. Install for batteries. Make sure the rope is pressed in by the battery holder. It lets you much more convenient to take battery out. Put the structure back. Register fingerprint. This box has 120 fingerprints. The first two are admin, the rest are ordinary users. Registering ordinary fingerprints requires authorization of admin. Open box. Find Enroll button. Press Enroll button. Put finger on reader 4 times. This finger becomes admin. Register second finger. Absolutely same method to first one. Register third finger, a ordinary user. Read admin to give authorization. Then red finger 4 times. Test, press start button and reader finger. Both admin and ordinary user works well. Set box into whisper quiet mode. Press delete button and hold for 3 seconds. So now there is no beep sound anymore when opening box. This is emergency power supply.